Hi friends, this is Dinesh Haria. Let's look at some of the important news. Yesterday, 3.22 lakhs new corona cases were reported all over India, and as of yesterday, total number of active cases were 24.22 lakhs. This is cause of concern for all of us. Government is taking all the steps to increase the oxygen supply and other critical drug supply to corona patient. Gujarat State and Fertilizer Corporation of India Limited, in short form is GSFC, which is part of the government company, has announced that they have started supplying free oxygen to patients in Baroda to tide over the shortage of oxygen. It is reported that there is a shortage of vaccine all over India, due to which many private hospitals have stopped giving vaccine for last almost 1 week. This is causing concern to all of those citizens who have already taken first dose of vaccine and their second dose is due. They are not able to give second dose on time because of the shortage of vaccine, and at present vaccine is only available in government hospitals, but it has been found that there is long queue in government hospitals and senior citizens cannot expose themselves under corona condition to stand in the queue and get the corona. My request to all government agencies that they must ensure that all citizens whose second dose of vaccine is due must be given second dose on time. On one side there is a shortage of vaccine, and on another side government has announced that from 1st May all citizens above the age of 18 are eligible to take the vaccine. My request to government is, first, ensure that second dose is given to all citizens before opening up the drive to give the vaccine to people above the age of 18. Please take immediate action on this. It is surprising that most of the TV news are giving TV news only on shortage of hospital beds or oxygen, but they are not giving any news regarding shortage of vaccine, and those people whose second dose is due are finding it difficult to get the vaccine. TV channel also must take up this issue so that the government take proper action. HDFC Limited Chairman Deepak Parekh predicted that there will be a good demand for housing in future because young generation wants house for themselves, and some of the people upgrade their house from a smaller house to the bigger house, hence realty sector will get boost in future. Indian stock market, which was declining for few days, stopped their decline yesterday, and BSE Sensex closed 375 points above the previous close. The closing was 48,080 points. This may be a stop in the decline of stock market, and from now stock market may again start upward journey. Ola Electric Mobility announced that they will put up electric charging network all over India to take care of the charging of electric vehicles. Fitch rating agency, which is one of the leading worldwide agency, announced that India is now in BBB grade due to second wave of corona. One of the equity research house has predicted that Nestle India price will go up to 20,000 rupees in future. This is in view of very good results announced by Nestle recently. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.